Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create an account on Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice. Right here I'm using Google Chrome, and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type momondo.com. Once you do that, it's going to take you into this official website for Momondo. So now that we're here, let's learn how we can create an account. Head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that. Sign in or create an account. Track prices, organize travel plans, and access member-only deals with your Momondo account. So, there are different ways that you can create an account on Momondo. So, you can create your account on email. That's via email. So, you can click on this continue with email. And once you do that, you're going to be asked to provide your email address. So, let's go with that. So, you can provide your email address and click on continue. You might also be asked to verify your email address. So just follow through with the steps and you'll be good. But I don't want to use the email option, okay? You can also create your account using the Apple button. So if you have an Apple ID, just go ahead and enter in your Apple ID to sign in to Momondo. I don't want to use that option as well. So the next thing is to okay, so the next step is to actually use your Google account, which is what I want to do, or which is what I want to show you in this particular tutorial. So I'm just going to click on the Google tab. It's going to take me to this extended window where I have to choose an account or select another account. So I'm going to use this one, which is my primary account. So over here, by continuing, Google will share your name, email addresses, just all of those things. If you agree, go ahead and click on the continue button. And once you do that, that's it. Your account will be created. How do I know that my account has been created? Check the top right corner. You will not see the sign in button again. You're just going to find the initials of my name. That's my profile icon. And from here, I can access my account settings. So I can also explore thousands of features right here to have a great time in Momondo. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.